Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and spend the day with me as a clothing brand owner. If this is your first time of seeing my face, please hit that subscribe button below, turn on your post notification. You'll be the first to be notified anytime I upload a new video. But if this is not your first time and you are yet to subscribe, hit that subscribe button as well, turn on your post notification and then enjoy this video. This is not a fancy vlog, but a real walk that we're going to be doing today. We launched our last collection that we launched was Ethereal Bell collection, which didn't quite move the way that I wanted, but I blame it on myself because I didn't plan very well for it, and there was a lack. Um, Let me just say there was. I didn't feel. I didn't feel much confidence with it because I don't know, Sha, but now, right now, I plan to push my brand forward with everything that I have because I have plans on what to do and where I want my brand to be in the next 3 or to 5 years. How I will do it, I don't know. It all depends to God. But back to what I was saying. So we launched our Etera collection, which didn't quite move as planned because maybe I was copying other ready-to-wear clothing brands. But this time around, I started to check what we have been doing wrong, who we are, and everything. So I did some investigation as well, and I noticed that my target audience that I want them to be is not exactly what I am giving them. So that is why I'm not making much. So right now, I decided to plan the remaining days, in fact, the remaining calendar of the year 2025, then know what I want to do and what not to do as well. So come and eat. I also started doing my sketching, my drawings, and everything, the details that I needed for each drawing is all here so that I will not make any mistake when producing or when in production. So our next collection is after Rebet. Our next collection we are going to launch on 8th of August is called Rebet Collection. That Rebet Collection is a collection of power, of authority, of moving from this phase to a higher level, and then saying, in fact, a Rebet Collection is all that you need. It's a manifestation process, is a movement that you ever need in your life. Like this is a movement that you need to step on the next level. So this rebate, I am planning to release 5 designs. Then on my birthday, I'm going to also release five designs that we are going to be releasing. We're not going to be doing too much so that people will not get confused. So, guys, we don't have lights at home, and also our water is not rushing to our flat in particular. So, I sent Bukem to check if the pump is well positioned or not. If not, she should position it the way the water will be rushing upstairs so that everybody will get water. Bukem, on our Oh, wait, Correct girl. That's how we roll. So let's see if we will have water tonight. This man get money, oh. Oh, never. All the business and be recruiting. Imokona within this year, go take up to 10. Carry a day 10. But because I have a brand to represent, I have to do certain things to keep my brand unique, keep my brand gorgeous, and then, do things that I will not regret not doing, and then keep pushing my brand to the next level. So maybe tomorrow being Sunday or so, another thing I have to start doing is start sketching. I don't think I have my pattern paper. If not, I would have used it to start drawing my patterns, and then when I resume, I will not find it difficult. And this time around, I'm going to be the model for this robot because I want to exude all the energy required for this collection, like the vibe. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm talking about, but I pray you guys do. So let me just take a sleep. Guys, a little update. I was not able to do anything. I have been on TikTok, I have been on Pinterest, I have been on Instagram, but nowadays I find solace on TikTok, and also whether it's not, or whether I've not been helping matters nowadays. Like it has been raining non-stop. It has been raining non-stop. I don't even know how to cope or how to do some things, but by God's grace, I will come around.